first off, this packaging on this and this this foot switch, this companion foot switch that I also bought, this packaging is incredible. It is really well done and it is impressive. I've been around a lot of pedals and stuff, but man, this box is so nice. I don't even want to throw it away. I'm gonna keep it. I'll put a Christmas gift in it. It's that cool. So this thing opens up here. You cut a couple of these tabs right here. This guy opens up and there's your BeatBuddy, right? So it's packaged awesome too. I already took this all apart, but it's just totally protected by this foam right here, and there was actually a silicone thing in here to keep moisture out. It's solid, man. This foam's awesome too for putting under pickups. If you have a pickup that's screwed straight into the wood, you can cut a little slot out, put that underneath, and that'll help push it back up, so keep that. Yeah, man, this is a really solid looking pedal. Got a little protective cover here. It also came with these instructions right here, which is a really nice, well done guide too, man. It's put together well. This whole box, man, this is incredible. I'll tell you right now. So these instructions get you going, how to get started on there. You got downloads, but you can download the BeatBuddy Manager. I went to this website and it took me to a link that wasn't exactly the downloads, but it's really easy to find. You just click on downloads and you can actually check the firmware from the website and just a few things about the website. The website is really well done. And it's a nice website too. They really put a lot of money into this, you can tell. This is really nice. So it comes with these, you got your regular foam thing you can put on the bottom, or you've got your, comes with the Velcro if you want to put it on a pedal board. And here's your adapter in here, all in a nice package. You got the USB cable to hook it up to your computer. This thing works with an SD card, which is also in here, I believe. There it is. Yeah, we got an SD card that comes with it. This you're going to need to have a way to plug it into your computer. See, I don't have an SD card reader on my computer, so I used, luckily I had this thing laying around right here. It's a USB port that plugs into the computer, and you just plug the SD card into it, plug it in, and it recognizes it as a drive. So you're going to need, if you don't have a computer that can take an SD card, you're going to need something like that. So that's that.